Hello YouTube, this is BG Rides. My brother and I are going to run down to Longbeach today. It's over on the coast. It takes about maybe 3-4 hours to get over there. And we're going to be riding this guy here, good old F6B, and my brother's going to take an FJR. Very fast bike. Anyway, we're going to run on down there, so stay tuned. It's unreal. Okay, we're down here in Montesano. Stopped to get a cup of coffee. And we're looking at these two bikes. And this guy here, F6B, we thought it was fast. Huh, brother?
Oh, yeah, we used it. We really love those. And then we still love them.
Oh, yeah. It's an awesome. We made it to the Pacific Ocean. All the way from the world's longest beach right here.
We bleed together, love together. You guys ride bikes, man. I ride a bike, and we're born to ride because we love to be free.
Right on.
That's a real one.
Take a picture, Leon. Take a picture.
You got one camera. We'll see you next time, Mike.
All right, we're back in Montesano. We're going to try and rate the road from Montesano to what, Long Beach?
Down to Long Beach Ocean Park, I would say the road, what would you call it? Probably a
For like quality of ride, like scenery kind of thing?
scenery wise in that, I would say it's probably about a 7.
Yeah, I think so.
Right in there. Roads, I would say maybe a 6 or 7.
For road condition?
Road condition. It's just because there's a lot of dips, a lot of temporary repairs, a lot of spots that need repair that definitely change things quite a bit. The way they have it done could definitely be much better.
But great twisties, great turns. You're running along the water, great scenery.
Definitely good scenery on the way down and back.
It'd be a definite, what, day trip down to Long Beach, have lunch, cruise back?
I would recommend it coming from Montesano. Definitely, it's definitely worth the trip. Getting to Montesano isn't going to be fun no matter which way you come. There's not an easy way to get here without being on the freeway. But once you get off and do that, it's all 2-lane, good twisties, good scenery, good roads.
And if you're going through Raymond and Oysterville, make
South
sure
Bend.
Yeah, South Bend, do not speed.
They will stop you, definitely. And a lot of times on the way, the cops will back up into people's driveways and such. So when you're on your way down there, just keep that in mind as you're going. A lot of cops out today.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time.